Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And welcome to another artsy weekend vlog. So where I'm actually starting kinda late. Kinda, sorta, pretty late. So I really only have today to film 2 videos and then also vlog. So honestly, we've already been to Target because I wanted to see if they had a couple of things and they didn't, but honestly, my collection of things is just, it's exploding. And this is just stuff that I haven't even talked about in a haul video yet. Like everything else that I have that I've already talked about is kind of like getting put out and displayed and stuff. So so that's what we need to film today, is or the second part of the Halloween decor haul videos. Got a lot to talk about, and honestly, like, it's a lot. And then to also decorate everything, I feel like I'm going crazy. What we're also doing today, which I am so excited about, I'm so excited to do this friggin' project. So I'm sure some of you already know what it is, but just to give you like a little hint, we have pool noodles. And you know what? Actually, I talked about it last week and I wanted to mention it because I saw literally so many people, so many of you were commenting and telling me to go to the dollar store and find pool noodles. You guys were saying that, you know, go to the dollar store, like they carry pool noodles year round. Not around here. No, it's not a thing around here. For stores to carry pool noodles throughout winter here is pretty weird and pretty rare. Honestly, so rare that it's actually not a thing. Pool noodles are probably out of stores, at least like dollar stores and stuff like that. Maybe like end of August, honestly. Like end of August we're on to the next thing. Like around here, things are in stores for around like 2 months. And then it's on to the next thing, honestly. So the dollar stores do not have pool noodles around here, for sure not. Nobody has pool noodles, but where I did find them, besides Amazon. So long story, I bought some on Amazon. It was like a 3-pack for like $21. But where we did find them was a Lowe's store, and they had maybe like a handful left. But I appreciate your suggestions. But it's so interesting to me that, you know, other places that are probably like warmer throughout like longer periods of the year, do you know what I mean? Like, I'm sure there are places where pool noodles are just a thing all the time. And I just think it's so interesting that you guys are like, oh, to the dollar store, they're always there. Not here. But anyway, did find them, found them at Lowe's, thank God. Anyway, we're gonna be doing an art project, a Halloween craft that I'm just so excited for. So, like I said, we also have to do a haul video, and oh my God, I'm so excited to show you guys. Like, Target is my MVP this year. Like, oh my God, Target has some really really cute stuff. This is a freaking pillow. It's adorable. Look at this pillow. It's adorable. Like, so anyway, that's what's going on today. And I think we're on track. Last weekend was kind of a show. It's okay. That friggin' baking video was we made it more difficult than it needed to be. But anyway, if you haven't watched that video yet where we made Halloween cookies and then did like cookie decorating, which I did discover that I am terrible. I'm terrible at cookie decorating. So if you want to see how terrible I am, please go watch that video. So anyway, Sean should be back pretty soon. I can't remember if there was anything else I needed to tell you guys. Here's a little sneak peek. It's going really well. Yeah. Huh? I'm obsessed. Obsessed! I didn't think that did you just pet it?
Yeah, I caressed it.
I didn't think that the glue drippies were gonna look so candle-like.
Yeah.
Look how massive it is. How big is that, do you think?
It's big. Like, maybe 3 feet.
Amazing. Amazing. Okay, we actually have to take it to the parking lot to spray it. So hopefully We don't get yelled at by anybody.
I don't think so.
Hopefully not. I don't know. I don't know why they would, but I just don't. I
Still don't want to.
Yeah, exactly. All right, you guys, welcome to Sunday. What happened to Saturday, you might ask? I don't know. I have no idea what happened to Saturday. I literally filmed nothing for Saturday. So I thought, because I just finished editing like the clips that I filmed Friday for this weekend vlog, and it's like 5 minutes long. So I thought I would just have you guys kind of hang out with me as I decorate a couple of things today. Like, I'm gonna probably pull out a couple of things. So obviously in our decorating videos, I have like key points, I keep calling them, that I'm focusing on for those videos. So there are certain sections that I'm like probably not gonna do a whole dedicated video for. There is like the entryway section that I kind of thought, and you guys are gonna see this in tomorrow's video. I think tomorrow or Wednesday, no. Yeah, tomorrow. So tomorrow I have a decor haul video, the next part going up. You guys are probably gonna see this tomorrow in that video, but I have one of these. It's kind of like hard to show, but it's one of these, a big, I guess it's not that big, but it's a big lantern thing that kind of like hangs on the wall, or you can have it like sit like this. But I want it to hang off the wall because I feel like that's the coolest look for it. So I think I want to hang this sort of in like the entryway next to this mirror and have it look, oh, just look at that already. So I'm gonna set you guys up and we're gonna hang this thing on the wall. Oh my goodness. Look at how cool this thing is. I love this. So again, you guys will see this tomorrow in the next haul video. I just feel like that looks so cool. So I did put it like higher up towards the ceiling, like higher up on the wall, just because, you know, I don't want anyone walking by like possibly hitting their head or anything, because it does stick off the wall quite a bit, like really far. This arm is really long. The only thing that I'm seeing is like something sticking out is that they're like two different colors. Maybe what I could do to like tie them together is take a couple of these bats and like kind of stick them on this to kind of carry the vibe around. I think I'm gonna try that. Hey, I put the thing up.
Oh my god.
Do you like it there?
It's fantastic.
Yeah? I thought it would be like a cool entry piece. Plus, it comes off the wall so much that I need to put it somewhere where it's obviously you can't walk into it. I am noticing though that while we tried to not overdo any specific like jack-o'-lanterns or, you know, skeletons,
Yeah.
you know what we did overdo anyway? Bats. We bat everything.
Do you think that we have more bats than jack-o'-lanterns?
Yes. There's about 100 bats above your head right now.
That counts as one
I
bat.
know. What?
You know what we have too much of? Bats. What are we doing? Adding more bats.
I didn't say it was a problem. I just said we got a lot of them. They're swarming the light.
Swarming it.
Like moths.
Yeah.
They're moth bats. Alright, so the addition of extra bats, even though we kind of have an overload of bats in the apartment, is done. And I feel like it looks good. Like, yes, there are bats swarming around the light, and I guess I can't really explain why they would do that, but I feel like it like continues the whole like bat vibe up and into the light. Like it ties the mirror into the light. I don't know. I feel like it looks kind of cool. Alright, so last thing I think I want to do for today, since the kitchen is probably going to be quite the transformation, I don't want that video to be too long, so I think I'm gonna do this. It's a quick little thing. It's one little shelf, right? I feel like it's not gonna be a big deal, but I want to basically take all of this down. It's cluttered and ugly anyway, and I want to put like all of my Halloween cups and mugs up there, and I've also got this other like jack-o'-lantern piece that I want to put up there. So we're gonna do this shelf real quick. Alright, so this is how it turned out so far. Yes, I added even more bats. just don't. I also don't even know if I'm going to keep them there. Like, I was thinking maybe a banner would look good here. Maybe something that says like trick or treat, or I don't know. But this is what it looks like so far. I have a couple other mugs coming, so those will probably make it onto the shelf as well. But oh my god, is this star garland not the actual cutest? It's black and it's kind of like sparkly too. My camera doesn't want to focus on it, but anyway, take my word for it. It's black and sparkly and it's super cute. Got it from Amazon. It's like a 2-pack. So this is how my little coffee mug cup area has turned out so far. We also added some spider webs, and you know, I'm not the best at like designing spider webs, but I feel like they look kind of cool. So anyway, I think that this is all I'm gonna do for today. Like, I feel like I could get seriously carried away with the Halloween decorating because I have so much to do, and I don't want to get carried away because I obviously want to do those like transformation videos. So this is all we're gonna do in the kitchen for today, and I think I'm also gonna wrap up this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it. We said that backwards, and that's, you know, that's just how it's gonna go. should make sure so make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me literally everywhere. It is at Artsymadwoman. I love you guys to absolute death, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.